So, like, when we're looking about survival of the human species across generations,
Yeah.
do we need gravity, essentially?
For sex in space, we know that gestation can happen in space where the babies can develop, at least in mice. We know that it's possible for worms to replicate and fly. So it's possible for other invertebrates to show they can make babies in space. But for humans, NASA's official stance on this is that there has never been sex in space
Yeah.
officially. I think, we all wonder about
Yeah.
that. I think humans are very predictable in that regard. Again, going back to the Greek tragedies, I think there's probably someone did something close to it at some point. And so I think we know that sperm can be sent into space and brought back and be used for fertilization, for in vitro fertilization for humans. But sex itself in space, would be, I think when we start to get bigger structures that have a bit more privacy, I think there'll be a lot of it, and it has to be, this is a big question of who goes up into space. It's now becoming more of, regular, in quotes, people who have prosthetic limbs or are cancer survivors, like Haley Arsenault, who just went up on the Inspiration 4 mission. So she's been a great researcher in helping with a lot of the science from that mission. We have doing the same analysis on them as we've been doing for the twin study and for other astronauts. So we're doing basically all the same molecular profile before, during, and after spaceflight. So we now know that other people can go into space. And so as more and more regular Joes and Janes go up, I think we'll see a lot more of it. But so far, we have no data. We have no video of it either. We have no real knowledge other than it would need a lot of Velcro, I think, is my only real answer there.